Interaction of charged particle with matter. When charged particle alpha particle, beta particle, electron, proton, neutron pass through matter, they collide with molecules of the material. They produce ions by collision. The ionization is the basis of a instrument such that electroscope, bubble chamber, cloud chamber, Jim counter, etc. If energy blast dE of particles per unit length dx is universally proportional to the velocity. Thus dE बटा dx proportional to 1/3 dE बटा dx बराबर -1/v. Here A is constant. The kinetic energy of incident particle E बराबर 1/2 mv². dE बटा dx बराबर mv dv बटा dx फ्रॉम -a बटा v बराबर mv dv/dx. नंबर 2 -a dx बराबर mv² dv. If the velocity initial of change particle is mu0 and the range of the particle is r, then integrating second with given limit mu0 to infinity mv² dv बराबर -a 0 to r dx. m v³ बटा 3 v0 v0 बराबर -a x 0 to r m v0 बटा 3 बराबर -a r. m mu0 बटा 3 बराबर a r बराबर m mu0 बटा 3a. The range of particle is proportional to third power of initial velocity. It is called Ginger's law and applicable for charged particles. If the particles are heavy in mass, such as alpha minus particle, heavy charged particles transfer their energy due to electrons is very small, and so by this energy the substance do not ionization of ionic small amount. Therefore intensity of beams decreases as the distance traveled beam and given by I बराबर I0 e घात minus mu r. Here mu is a constant dependent on million. Ginger-Muller counter (GM counter). The Ginger-Muller based on that gases becomes electrical conductor due to ionization produced by expansion. Ionization produced by exposure of radioactive or nuclear reaction. It is very efficient and accurate device detecting and measuring the energy of alpha, beta, gamma radiation. Such the detecting portion in the form at tube, so it is named as GM tube. Construction. The diagram of GM tube with circular operation is shown below, and the metallic cathode tube inside, if a line tungsten wire mounted, if the axis of tube act as anode, this wire is connected to the positive terminal of high tension battery about 1000 volt to 6000 volt. As resistance 100 megavolt is connected with battery, the tube constant air or monatomic gases like air or neon at pressure. The same if para together, thus a small stress or log halogen Cl working when an isolating particle enter to GM tube. It ionizes the gaseous mixture, therefore release a number of positive charge ion and free electrons. Since the electrostatical field is radical and varies entropy and heat to the anode wire, then electrons absorbed by positive charge wire to the very short the time interval across wire to in very short time interval a cross electron minus is set on anode wire. This rapid increases in electrons ions are called avalanche. This avalanche increases the ions and it is about 10 orders The electrons are drawn by anode wire and positive charge ions becomes dense the such that such that no any electrons reach to anode wire and there is number current in rate count meter. This situation is called dead time and it is about 200 meter microsecond. Electron minus produce pulse of current and gm tube can the number of ions by rate of count meter below, in which the count rate is plotted against applied voltage. From side curve we conclude that as applied voltage increases at voltage then process of ionization start. As voltage increases a particular curve AB, a plane is developed at which the rate count is constant and after that continuous discharge takes place. In case of halogen the platinum voltage is about 400 से 500 volt. The merit of cell model. Merits: the cell model is used for form count of magic number. Each energy level is determined by orbital and spin motion of nucleons. चौथा, in cells model by using magic number the stable element can be detected. पांचवा, with the help of cell model greater number of isotopes in an element can be detected. Demerits: it does not explain the first cited state even nuclei and the energy is much lower than except from single particle. दूसरा, it does not explain large quadrupole moment in case of odd nuclei. Fourth, stable nuclei 1H1 3 lithium A6 nitrogen 14 are not explained under model. Question: what is difference between compound nuclear and direct nucleus? Compound nucleus: in this nucleus the projectile nucleus incident on target nucleus and form unstable nucleus called compound nucleus. It is represented by star over it. In this case incident particle loses so much energy that it cannot escape from target nucleus. The compound nucleus form mass number which is same reactant if the projectile nucleus is in nucleus and target nucleus have numbers which is same and reactant. If the particle nucleus is a nucleus and target nucleus having mass number, then the compound nucleus will have mass number 1H1 plus BC12 gives 7 nitrogen 13 gives 7 nitrogen 13 plus gamma. Direct nucleus reaction: in this type of nuclear reaction the projectile nucleus insulted on target nucleus without any energy loss, then it is called elastic scattering type reaction. The incident nucleons have sufficient energy and collide with target nucleus, then the entropy of target nucleus and then product is formed. This type of reaction is called direct nucleus reaction. 1H1 plus BC12 gives 17 7 N13 gives 7 N13 plus gamma. Example: the direct nuclear reaction has reaction time 10⁻22 second and the compound nuclear reaction has 10⁻40 second. Hence the compound nuclear reaction is greater than the direct nuclear reaction, but it failed to explain behavior to electrons in periodic potential, which is further explained by Corning-Penny model. The Staudinger wave equation in one dimension is given d2 psi बटा ds2 plus 2m बटा h square क्वेश्चन में e minus b क्वेश्चन 1 psi बराबर 0. Then for first region d2 psi बटा ds2 plus 2m बटा h square क्वेश्चन में e minus b 0 psi 1 बराबर 0 समीकरण नंबर 1. And for second region d2 psi बटा dx2 plus 2m e बटा h square psi 2 बराबर 0 समीकरण नंबर 2. The solution of equation 1 and 2. The solution of equation 1 and 2 cos के a बराबर p sin अल्फा a बटा के अल्फा a प्लस cos अल्फा a दबा बंद. Here अल्फा बराबर 2m अंडर रूट में 2m e बटा के h एंड बीटा बराबर अंडर रूट में 2m क्वेश्चन में v0 माइनस e बटा के h. interpretation of equation third. From equation third, the value of alpha and a at right side of equation lies in the between -1 and +1, and which is shown by give curve. From above curve, we conclude that the energy of spectrum of electron minus number of allowed and forbidden and band in periodic potential. दूसरा, the width of allowed band increases as the value of alpha a increases. Interpretation of LHS of equation 1. The energy of periodic potential is given by E बराबर k square s square बटा 2m. Here the value of Ka depend on parabola in which allowed the and forbidden gap are shown below. Allowed, forbidden, allowed, forbidden, allowed, forbidden, allowed, forbidden. खत्म. Complete 100% work.